All right, so here I'm going to show you this light bulb with sensor. So as you can see here, is the good thing about this. They're I think $15, 1100 lumens. It says almost $2 per year if you use it only 3 hours a day. So I like this type of light bulbs because it comes with this little button that you see here, so that way you can tell if they are they come with a motion sensor or not. I saw another ones that they don't have this thing, but you may confuse them, with a regular light bulb. So as you can see here, it says 13 watts, super bright, equivalent to 100 watts. A light bulb. So here we have 2 packs. This is the model if you want to buy the same thing. Otherwise, I can try to leave you in the video description the Amazon link. Here you have 13 watts, not dimmable. The light bulb shape, it says A19 or A60. The light base is A26, 27, and B22. And then here we have the max luminous flux, it says, or the lumens is 1,100 lumens, plastic and aluminum. So this is aluminum, the rest is all plastic, made in China. And here it says turn off the power before installing or removing the bulb. Light sensor shut off bulb during daytime. So this is only for nighttime. So here you see it says keep the sensor port exposed, avoiding installing enclosed fixtures. Otherwise, yes, if you have something that will cover this like glass or semi-transparent glass or something like that, this may not work properly. And it says position head towards sensing area at night at the right distance angle. Keep the light switch on all the times. Bulb will function automatically, not for emergency lighting. So basically, if you are going to install this, usually I recommend this, let's say next to the main door, or if you want to install it in the closet. And the advantage of this is that you don't have to install any light switch or anything like that. So you leave it on, very economical, $15. You can buy this pack, or $20. It doesn't cost more than that. I like them a lot. I have installed this already in another place, so I wanted to make a video before I install them. So that's it for now. Usually here it says base a lifetime expectancy. This is a good thing. It says 20 years based on 3 hours a day. Kelvins 5000, so it looks like the sunlight. Here's 13 watts. Okay, and everything that I just said before. So here I think it's the model. Here you have the models. I don't know why it has this here, and the other thing in the other side says something else, but that's it. Simple Chinese, and it works. So if you have any question, please let me know section below. I'll see you next time.